Okay, we've let this side set up so we can glue this other side on. We just want to check our alignment one more time. So we'll glue this side on, then I'm going to let it set overnight so it gets a good solid bond, and then we can start to round it down and start working on it. You want to spread your glue out, cover your entire piece. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. If you got any suggestions, put it in there. Slide this on into place. Clamp this one in, and you just want to make it snug at first so you can adjust it because it is going to slide on you. Just make your clamps snug for this time being till you get them set. Then you can tighten it all down. Then we're just going to let this set overnight, let it get a good solid bond, and then we can work on rounding it down. And getting it sanded down. Everything's tight. And there we go. Now we'll let that set up. Thanks for watching.